Hi everyone, welcome to Shaw Tech Field. I'm Shaw, and this is the first step in your journey into the world of instrumentation, the brain and senses behind every industrial process. What is instrumentation? In simple words, instrumentation is the science of measuring and controlling physical values like temperature, pressure, flow, and level in industries. These measurements help machines and plants run safely, efficiently, and automatically. For example, in an oil refinery, you need to keep the temperature and pressure within a safe range. Instrumentation helps by constantly measuring these values and triggering actions if anything goes wrong. Mum instruments. Let's look at 4 key instruments used in this field. 1. Sensors. Detect changes like heat or pressure. 2. Transmitters. Send those measurements to control systems. 3. Controllers. Decide what action to take. 4. Actuators. Actually perform the action, like opening a valve. Why learn instrumentation? Instrumentation is used everywhere: oil and gas, water treatment, power generation, and pharma. Learning it can lead to well-paying jobs as a technician or engineer. This channel will give you tutorials, examples, troubleshooting tips, and career advice related to instrumentation and control. Everything explained in a simple way. If that sounds helpful, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll reply to help you learn. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll learn about different types of sensors used in industries. See you there.